调试。我们首先第一步 ，Find device debug F6. Password is 0. Once in, find F1. Go to F1 interface, find F8, mechanical reset. Next, turn on I/O. Locate the positioning pins. Left and right positioning pins. Click output control to raise all pins. Then press the emergency stop. Next, manually push all pins all the way down. Push all the way down. Then release the emergency stop. Click back. Find F1, then F8. The axes we just mentioned are the D axis. Right now, the positioning pin is touching the plate edge. We need to move it inward a bit. Set the 0 point here to -2. Then reset. Then there is D2, which is the same. Click this to switch alternate lines, and it will switch to D2. Then third, fourth, same thing. This is the positioning pin, and then take the emergency stop. There is also a UI axis. The rear end of the U axis is the 0 position. Push it manually to the machine's rear end. Then find the U-axis. 0, this position too. Just set it to -2 when zeroing. That is all for zeroing. Then release the emergency stop switch. Next, we handle the U-axis. Use hand wheel operation. Use the hand wheel, then select the U-axis. Move it backward. Keep moving it to the very rear end of the machine. Then stop. Then 0, this position. Then 0, this position. You can 0 here too, set to -2 or -1. This way, all 0 points of the machine are set. Next, adjust its positive limit position. Stop right before contact. Then enter this value into its positive limit, the maximum stop position. And this is for the U-axis. Press the emergency stop D-axis and manually pull it to this side. This is the D4 axis. Find the D4 axis. Then input the value 876 here. You can use a slightly smaller number, like 875. That is fine. This is its positive limit. Same goes for the UI 减 axis. Push it all the way forward until it won't move. Locate the UI 减 axis, value 633.57. Then input the value about 2 毫米 smaller, like 631, and you're done. Find the D2 axis, then 1149, and write its value as long as it is less than 1149. Confirm. Once the right 0 point is set, do the exact same for the left. Next, we'll calibrate the machine's 0 point. The first step is to open mechanical debugging. Then find F2. The first one is, first, we need a square sheet of material. No thickness or material rules for the 600 sheet. Next, type 600 as the sheet size in row 1. Then hit confirm. Then next step, open the I/O and raise the front locating pin. Left side. Turn on output control. Lift the pin. Enable manual mode. Use the hand wheel to operate. Use the hand wheel to move each axis until they fit perfectly on the sheet. Lower the H2 axis, but don't press it tight. Use a tape measure to align the sheet's center nearly perfectly with the pressure plates. Now the D axis. Once position is roughly right, lower the pressure arm to hold the sheet. Now click return. Step 2, select point sampling. Third step, select I/O and drop the positioning pin. Now select the C axis. Rotate it 180 degrees. Rotate to 180 degrees. Then lift the locating pin. Now manually move the U axis back and forth. Make it fit exactly onto the pin. Just slight friction is fine. Now go back and select the first point in step 3. After point sampling, confirm the U-axis reference below and click it. Rotate to 270 degrees, then lower the locating pin. Select axis C. Rotate to 270 degrees. 270 degrees. Then raise the locating pin. Select axis D. We're adjusting the left pin, so that is axis D. Just make it feel a slight friction, and then select the D-axis datum to confirm. Next, choose to rotate to 90 degrees, enter I/O, and drop the positioning pin. Select axis C, rotate to 90 degrees. Raise the locating pin. What needs to be raised now is the D2 axis, which belongs to the right positioning pin. So select this one. Then select the D2 axis. Same thing, barely touch the plate. Barely touch the plate. Then select the D2, benchmark determination. Next, lower the locating pin. Rotate to 0 degrees, align with tooltip, select axis, C to 0 degrees. Select axis U, move it forward. Move to tooltip, check by hand. It is aligned with the tip. Select axis U, confirm. Next, rotate to 180 degrees. Move axis Y and U back a bit first. Rotate axis C to 180 degrees. Select I/O. What you want to adjust now is the UI axis. So first, raise the right stop and find the UI axis. Manually move to axis you add, barely touch the plate. Select axis UI, confirm. Okay, move axis UA. Lower the locating pin. Rotate axis C to 0 degrees. Raise axis H2. 0 calibration is done. Stop the machine. Shut down and restart. Shut down for 10 minutes. Restart, 0 calibration done. Note during calibration, only rotate when pin is lowered or it will hit the plate.